Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will discuss about life cycles of vascular and non-vascular plants. This is second lecture of chapter number 18, second year biology. First of all, we will discuss about life cycle of bryophytes. If we start the life cycle of bryophyte, it starts from sporogonium diploid sporophyte generation. As you can see that sporophyte is diploid generation. Here we can see that sporophyte is diploid generation. This generation will produce diploid spore mother cells. Spore mother cells are produced from sporophytic generation, and after the production of spore mother cells, a reduction division will occur. Here you can see this line show the process of reduction division or meiosis. After meiosis, haploid spores are produced. After meiosis, haploid spores are produced from the spore mother cells, which will give rise to the thallus. And thallus is also called as gametophyte, and it is haploid generation. Then the gametophyte will give rise to the sex organ, female sex organ, that is called archegonia, and male sex organ, that is called antheridia. Both these organs will produce male and female gametes. Female gametes are oosphere or egg. Male gametes are anthrozoids. Anthrozoids are motile. They can swim in water, and they will reach to the oosphere or egg where fertilization occur, and as a result of the fertilization, diploid zygote will be formed. This zygote will again change into the sporophyte generation, and similarly these two generations, I mean uh, sporophytic generation and gametophytic generation, both these two generations alternate with each other, so this is also called as alternation of generation. Now we will discuss about the life cycle of spermatophytes. Spermatophytes are also called seed plants, and there are two types of seed plants. The first type is gymnosperm and the other type is angiosperm. So we will start from gymnosperm. This is the pinus tree that is diploid, and it is called sporophytic generation. It bear female cone as well as male cone. The female cone contain ovule while the male cone contain pollen sacs. The ovule will change into megaspore mother cells. The ovule will change into megaspore mother cell while the pollen sac will change into microspore mother cells. And after the production of microspore mother cells on both sides, reduction division will occur, meiosis will occur, and as a result of the meiosis, the microspore mother cells will produce microspore, and the megaspore mother cell will produce megaspore. Then the microspore mother cell that are microspore that are male spores will move towards the megaspore process by a process that is called pollination. After pollination, two types of prothallus will be produced. One will be female prothallus and the other will be male prothallus. After the production of both type of prothallus, the female prothallus will produce archegonium in which oosphere will be produced. What is oosphere? Oosphere is also called egg. If we see on the second side, that is the male gametophyte, it will produce antheridial cell. Antheridial cell will produce male gametic nucleus and it will give rise to the pollen tube. Then, due to the pollen tube, the antheridial cell will move towards the egg where fertilization occur in the archegonium. After fertilization, zygote will be formed that will be diploid, and this diploid zygote will give rise to the sporophytic generation. The same case with bryophyte and the same case with gymnosperm, alternation of generation will take place. Here we will see the life cycle of angiosperm. These are also called as flowering plants and they are advanced than the gymnosperm. Angiosperm are those plants in which the seed is found inside the fruit. So we can start the life cycle of angiosperm from sporophytic generation. As we can see here, it is sporophytic generation which produce flower. And the flower is hermaphrodite or single sexed. Hermaphrodite mean both male and female part will be in same flower, or single sex mean male flower will be separate and female flower will be separate. Here we can see that a flower contain stamen or male sex organ and carpel female sex organ. Carpel will give rise to the ovule and the stamen will give rise to the pollen sac. Then from pollen sac, microspore mother cell will be produced and from the ovule, megaspore mother cell will be produced. Microspore related to male and megaspore related to female. After the production of megaspore and microspore, meiosis will occur and megaspores as well as microspore will be produced. Then what will happen after the production of both these types of spore? Pollination will occur. As a result, two kinds of prothallus will be produced. One will be male prothallus and other will be female prothallus. The male prothallus will contain two male gametes while the female prothallus contains 7 kinds of cell. The first one is egg, the 3 are antipodal cell, 2 are synergid cell and 2 are polar nuclei. Once again I am repeating, the male prothallus will contain 2 male gametic nuclei while the female prothallus will contain 5 kind of cells. One is egg cell, 3 antipodal cell मीन 4 हो गए, ये 2 जो हैं synergids हो गए 6 हो गए और ये 2 पोलर न्यूक्लियाई हो गए, टोटल ये 8 हो गए. इनमें से जो है ये जो 5 हैं ये जो है डीजनरेट हो जाएंगे, यहीं पर ख़त्म हो जाएंगे। ये निशान इस चीज़ को शो कर रहा है। पोलर न्यूक्लियाई जो हैं इनके साथ ये जो दो मेल हमारे पास गैमीट हैं, एक जो है वो मैच इसके साथ पोलर न्यूक्लियाई के साथ मैच करेगा, फ्यूज़ करेगा, और दूसरा जो है वो एग न्यूक्लियस के साथ फ्यूज़ करेगा। तो यहाँ पर आप देखें, इस जगह पे और इस जगह पे दो मेल गैमीट दो फीमेल गैमीट के साथ फ्यूज कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए इसको कहते हैं डबल फर्टिलाइजेशन, जो कि सिर्फ एंजियोस्पर्म के अंदर होती है। अब यहाँ पर एग और एक मेल गैमीट मिला तो जाइगोट बन गया। यहाँ पर जो है दो पोलर न्यूक्लियाई थे, एक मेल गैमीट आया, टोटल 3 हो गए, तो ये ट्रिप्लाइड जो है वो न्यूक्लियस बन गया। जो ट्रिप्लाइड है ये आगे जाके एंडोस्पर्म बना देगा, और जो जाइगोट है ये जाके एम्ब्रियो बना देगा। और फिर ये दोनों जो है सीड के अंदर मौजूद होंगे, और फिर वो जो सीड होगा दोबारा से फ्लावरिंग प्लांट में चेंज हो जाएगा। अब ये जो फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है ये दोबारा से उसी तरीके से स्पोर प्रोड्यूस करेगा और गेमेटोफिटिक जनरेशन में चेंज हो जाएगा। ये जो फ्लावरिंग प्लांट है यहाँ पर ये दिखा रहे हैं कि ए सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के जरिए भी प्रोड्यूस हो सकता है। उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि जो हमने आज पढ़ा उसमें हम अपने आप को टेस्ट भी कर सकते हैं कि इसमें हमने ये बताना है कि हैप्लॉइड और डिप्लॉइड स्टेजेस जो हैं वो ब्रायोफाइट्स की लाइफ साइकिल में कौन कौन सी हैं, ये आपने बतानी है। ओस्फेयर किसे कहते हैं और ओस्फेयर किसे कहते हैं, ओस्पोर और ओस्फेयर किसे कहते हैं। ओस्फेयर जाइगोट को, ओस्फेयर जो है एग को कहते हैं, ओस्पोर जो है हम किसको कहते हैं, जाइगोट को कहते हैं। उसके बाद आपने बताना है कि ब्रायोफाइट्स में मियोसिस किस जगह होती है, और ब्रायोफाइट्स का लाइफ साइकिल हमने ड्रा करना है, एंजियोस्पर्म का लाइफ साइकिल ड्रा करना है, और जिम्नोस्पर्म का लाइफ साइकिल ड्रा करना है। तो ये जो टेस्ट यूर सेल्फ वाला ये पेज है, ये आपने रिटन फॉर्म में जो है वो जमा करवाना है, और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट हम अगला टॉपिक पढ़ेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह निगहबान।